Snapchat makes it fun and easy to add creative changes to your snaps, whether it be through the pen tool, filters, or by adding your own customized Bitmoji. Of course, most photos you edit in Snapchat are taken directly with the camera inside the Snapchat app, but what if you wanted to edit photos you captured using your phone's own viewfinder app? Let's take a look at how to edit photos from your camera roll on Snapchat. To start, open up Snapchat on your phone and click on the Memories icon at the bottom of the display. This opens up the Memories tab on your instance of Snapchat, which offers you the ability to view both your saved Snap stories and your camera roll. Tap on the Camera Roll tab at the top of the display, then select the photo from your camera roll you want to edit. Tap on the triple dotted menu button in the top right corner, then select Edit Snap. From here, you can edit the selected photo, just as if you had taken the photo selected within Snapchat. You can add text, draw, add stickers and Bitmoji, select and fix portions of the photo, and add links. You can also crop the image and expand it to fill your display like a normal snap. Filters are here, but unfortunately, you'll only be able to modify the color of the image. You won't be able to actually add geofilters or other contextual overlays. Once you've finished editing your photo, hit the Send button in the lower right-hand corner and select where you want to send the image. You can post it to your story, send it to friends, and even save a copy of the edited photo to your Snapchat memories. Snapchat will ask if you want to save the changes as a copy or replacement, or you can choose to discard your changes altogether. If this guide helped you, make sure to subscribe to Tech Junkie for new videos and guides every day, and check out these videos you might like.